Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share a tutorial how to remove noise with one click, using Audacity software. Okay, straight to the tutorial. First you open the Audacity software. Then enter the audio file that we will remove the noise. Then select the part of the noise to be removed. Then click Effect, then select Noise Reduction. Get Noise Profile. Click in this section. Then select Effect. Click OK and done. Now see the difference in the sound before and after.
Check 1, check. Check 1, check.
Noise is completely gone.
Check 1, check. 1, 2.
Okay, so this video this time hopefully useful. See you in the next video. Enjoy.